we have our not so fried chicken, not so crispy fried chicken, and not so hot fried chicken. And I got still my broth simmering away here. And it smells really, really good. I got little shiitakes in there. I'm gonna add in this is the type of stew that, you know, you have a broth like that, you can go all day, you can just add in things, and it will taste better and better. So I'm using the white part of the napa here. It breaks down really, really nice. The back end. This, I'm telling you, this is like what people forget about or throw away. This is the good part of the napa cabbage. Right? You marinate this a little soy and rice wine vinegar. It's awesome. You can put that on top on any fish, any vegetables. So I'm just going to drop that in. And leftover food is, for me, it's the wrong word because it's the good stuff, right? Food is the stuff that, you know, something that's been cooked before and you're adding that with the broth that's been sitting for a while. All of that stuff is really delicious. So, but rather than making an omelet, right? We got a little bit of soy here. You can just pour the eggs straight in. You whisk that like this. Right? You whisk it. You bring it to a boil. And then you just pour the egg straight in and you stir it like this. And it thickens the broth. And we're going to have choices here, right? Because you can come to my restaurant and get this dish and get dressed up and all of it and wait online and pay $40. Or oh, this is too good. I don't even know if we're going to give this away. No, we're keeping this. This is so nice. What bowls do we have?
Not enough.
Not, you're right. Because James, you know, James is probably going to have 2 portions. But, you know, I'm going to add in some more noodles. More noodles. We're going to heat this up. Can we talk about this trip? Wasn't this cruise amazing? Besides, right? I had such a good time with my friend Gail. And Gail brought her daughter, mother-in-law, and mom. I know Canada's in the house. I know mom is here. Mom is right there. Can we give a hand for Gail's mom, please? Yeah. And Captain Kate, right? I mean, that mermaid outfit, I tried it, James tried it, but that was something else, right? So, I got about what? We got about 8 portions of chicken soup over here with noodles. Like I said, you can pay $40 at the restaurant with a wait. But this is real, this is how chefs eat, right? It's rustic. Who's coming up and have some? Yeah, absolutely. James, can you pass out some? Nice. And this, I urge you guys, when you cook at home, don't waste the food. Figure out, especially on the weekend. Yes, especially on the weekend. If you have a whole fish or a whole chicken, there can always be fried chicken, there can always be sandwich, there can always be a stew to be made. There can always be, and the more rustic you want to eat, the better it will taste. Especially, I mean, now with winter coming up, well, I don't know, Florida might not have that much winter, but in New York at least, or East Coast. Right? This is all from, you know, just this really like type of food. Maybe not the spices, but this is the type of food that I grew up with in terms of we didn't waste. What do we have? No, we're not giving them the salt bowl. I have a couple of more bowls here that has not had food in them yet. There you go, right? Look at that.
I can actually smell it.